In this video, you will learn how to find the slope of a line. The slope of a line is a number that describes how steep the line is. Slope is defined as the rise of the line over the run of the line. To find the slope, you choose two coordinates on the line. You label them x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. Then you plug them into this equation. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. If you go from left to right on a graph and your line is in the up direction, it has a positive slope. If you go from left to right on a graph and your line is in a down direction, the slope is negative. So we are going to find the slope of this line. We are given 2 points, -2, -1, and 4, 3. We need to figure out the rise of the line and the run of the line. So we're going to take the rise divided by the run, how much it goes up versus going to the right. So we've got the points -2, -1, and 4, 3. We're going to label them. X sub 1 is -2, y sub 1 is -1, x sub 2 is 4, y sub 2 is 3. Plug it into our equation. Y sub 2 is 3 minus y sub 1 is -1. So we've got 3 minus -1. Then we have x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So x sub 2 is 4 minus x sub 1 is -2. So 4 minus -2. Okay, now we're going to do our subtraction. 3 minus -1 is 4, and 4 minus -2 is 6. 4, 6 is our slope. We can simplify that. 2 is a number that can be divided evenly into both 4 and 6, so the slope of our line is 2/3. 2/3 is the slope of the line. Now we're going to find the slope of the line for this line. We know it's going to be a negative slope because as we move from left to right, the slope is going down. We need to find the negative rise of the line and divide it over the run of the line. So we've got the coordinates -2, -3, and 0, -5. We're going to label them. X sub 1 is -2, y sub 1 is -3, x sub 2 is 0, y sub 2 is -5. Plug it into our equation. So we've got -5 minus -3. Then we've got 0 minus -2. Well, -5 minus -3 is -2. 0 minus -2 is 2. We've got -2 divided by 2, which is equal to -1. The slope of this line is equal to -1.